Welcome to my weekly life as a nail tech. If you haven't already, go check out the previous videos to get caught up. Starting where we left off last time on the trail, it is finally finished after all my hard work. Well, our hard work. So this little sand trail that y'all see was actually a deep trench, but my dad ended up filling it up with sand so nothing would get ruined just in case of a storm or a hurricane or anything like that. Back to the trail. The trail was like the final touches for the outside of the shed and go and get the steps because our backyard has a lot of dips and dibbles and stuff like that, and I don't want anybody to twist an ankle or end up hurting themselves. So I was like, it's best to make the trail so that they could just follow this straight path and go right into the shed. Now, when I first got this shed, essential that I knew I needed to have was a vent. And the vent has a light switch connected to it where you can flick it on and off if you wanted to. That is a good essential. It's going to take that smell right up out of there and you're not going to have to worry about it. Now, the lights were kind of a main priority for me when I first got the shed. If you go back to the previous video, you will see that this light is different from the other ones. But that's going to be fixed very soon. I think I'm the only one who sees that. Now, the AC. I got the AC from Home Depot and the other appliances like the light switches and the light fixtures and things like that. Now, the cool thing about this AC is the remote. I love the remote. So you could turn it up if you want to or turn it down, and then you hit the button and it's going to automatically adjust to the AC. And then I have the TV. Now, the TV and the mount, we got it from Walmart. The mount is to where we could turn it forward, turn it to the side, however me and my sister want to adjust it, because she also do braid in here too, and I do my nails. And that little thing was sticking out, so I had to just put it back. Boop. If you're able to get a credit card to buy everything at once, do so. Later on that evening, I did end up doing my sister's nails. She is a braider, so she do like the different shaped nails. All my braiders now, they know that they like the pinky, like a stiletto, so you could be able to do like the stitch braid look. I remember I had posted her nails on my shorts one time, and I had a whole lot of people in my comments like saying like, oh, I don't like the different shapes, da 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 da. I'm like, okay, you like what you like, and she likes what she likes. Back to the little mini tutorial. So this design was done on my previous video, where it's kind of old video. It was like a freestyle video that I did like the ocean nails. I'm gonna link it right here. Make sure y'all go check that video out. So starting off, I'm just taking clear mixed with white because I didn't want it to be super white. I just wanted it to be like creamy looking white, like not white. So I put that layer down, and then I put down a second layer to give it more like definition a little bit. Now I'm taking this blooming gel that I got from Mia Secrets because I want to bloom the blue with this white polish. Now the white polish is just like the background. You can use whatever background that you want to use to do this effect, but I like the white because it gives it like the water ocean look. Y'all know how sometimes in the water it be having like those little dibbly dabbly dots in there? So yeah, that's the look I was going for, but it ended up turning out being something else because I decided to do the dots a little bigger and a little differently. So it kind of gave it like this tortoise shell effect, and it was really cute. If you're new here, I have many videos on me doing different designs, tutorials, me going into depth, and all that good stuff. Now, with the blooming gel, you have to cure it quickly. That's why I had invested in me getting this handheld UV light so I could cure it real quick, and then I could just have her stick her hand in the big light to fully cure it. So the little handheld one is just to like stop it real quick from spreading, not to actually fully cure it. And this is how her nails ended up turning out. I am getting really better with my freestyles. Keep practicing. That is definitely the key, is to practice, practice, practice. Now, this is just a little overview of me cleaning up and my cleaning up process, but I did want to speak about freestyles, and sometimes I do have difficulties with it. It can be hard, it can be challenging. Check out my previous video. I'm gonna link it right here where I was telling y'all like the struggles and stuff like that that I was having with my freestyles. Oh my goodness. But this one, it came out really good. She gave me a little mixture of pictures. I will post the pictures right here, and I tried incorporating all the nail art that she wanted in those one set of nails because she's the type of person, she likes different things on each nail. Some people they like for it to like, you know, coincide with each other. But of course, I will make the colors like go together, so therefore the nails go together. And that's what I have been learning, like with freestyles. As long as the colors go together, it's not gonna look bad. If you have made it this far into the vlog, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because now you're part of the fam. As nail techs, we have to make it a priority to take care of ourselves. I like to make excuses sometimes for me not having my nails done. And I have now stopped having those excuses. The more I look down at my fingers and see that they are raggedy. I was really trying to do the natural thing for a while. You know, gel polish, real cute, real cutesy, real some more. I was trying to do that until my nails started breaking. So I was like, okay, I'm going to have to do me a cute little thin overlay and call it a day. Because the bad thing is, I can't even wear those long extra nails no more from what I do at work. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna have to do it on somebody else instead of, you know, me. But I definitely want to go back to my extra nails, because I definitely want to push out more tutorials for y'all, especially since Halloween is coming around. So I'm gonna have my Halloween playlist from last year right up here. Make sure y'all go check it out. Oh my goodness, so bomb. I'm really not going to be explaining that much of my application process, because it's the same, and I have so many videos of me doing application, prep, all those things, and nothing has really changed since then. So it's all the same. Y'all could go check out those playlists if y'all want to, as long as with the Halloween ones, because y'all know spooky season is coming up. Back to the nails. I'm going to give y'all a little history about my nails while I'm doing this overlay. I am a nail biter, and this is the longest that my nails have ever been in a while. So with me putting the gel polish on them was kind of like a protector for me not to be tempted to bite them. But after a while, they started to chip and break, and I was like, oh my goodness, like what else could I do? But I didn't want to do a whole full set on my nails, because I know when I hit my nails, I like them long. So if I hit my nails, it's going to hurt. So I was like, no, I'll just do like a thin layer of acrylic on them to prevent me from biting them and make my nails last a little longer. With the overlay, another perk is it's going to have your nails really strong, so it's going to allow them to grow. So I noticed that when I had the overlay, my nails used to grow like really, really long, and then I end up just cutting them down. Let me know down in the comments below, are y'all like that? It's like I like my real nails to be really short, but then I like when I get like face nails, I like them to be really long. I thought, like, wouldn't it be the same thing? Like, wouldn't you like your natural nails long and then like your fake nails long? But I don't know what's wrong with me. Tell me, is that weird, or do y'all have the same thoughts? And I want to tell y'all this. As a nail tech, we are problem solvers. We have a solution for anything. You have a broken toe, there's a solution. You have uneven nails, there's a solution. Like, we are the solvers for all your problems. You need to vent? I'm a listening ear. We are the solvers for all problems. Pat on the back to all the nail techs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.